So I had to coax it out of the package, and well, now look at that. That is a very interesting rifle. It looks like Zastava PAP M77 PS in 308. Yes, that's right. It is the Zastava in 308 caliber. Well, that is very interesting. So I think now what I'll do is I'll get this bad boy cleaned up, and I'll probably do a review on it. Take it out to the range, see what we can do. And it's got two 10-round magazines, synthetic thumb hole stock, obviously the AK design. Looks like it's got a barrel nut on it, so I'll probably look to get a flash suppressor on there. And let's see, yeah, it's got a side scope mount, and that is looking very nice. Alright, YouTube, I'll catch you when we take this bad boy out to the range.